Get a free solution of advanced ceramics. Alloy substrates have attracted much attention for their excellent thermal conductivity and electrical properties. As a leader in the industry, ATCERA is actively promoting the innovation and development of alloy substrate technology to meet the growing market demand. ATCERA is committed to exploring advanced manufacturing techniques such as chemical vapor deposition (CVD) and molecular beam epitaxy (MBE) to improve the quality of substrates and reduce defects. These innovations are expected to bring significant improvements in performance, making alloy substrates more attractive in a wider range of applications. By optimizing the production process, ATCERA not only increases the output of the substrate, but also reduces the cost. With the rapid development of areas such as 5G telecommunications and electric vehicles, the demand for alloy substrates is growing. ATCERA's alloy substrates are ideal for these cutting-edge technologies due to their superior high-frequency performance and efficient thermal management capabilities. In electric vehicles, it helps improve the efficiency and reliability of battery management systems. With the continuous expansion of 5G and EV markets, ATCERA's alloy substrate technology will usher in a broader space for development. In the field of electronic packaging, environmental protection and sustainable development has become a trend that cannot be ignored. ATCERA is responding to this call by developing alloy substrates made from recycled materials or more sustainable processes. This not only helps to reduce resource waste and environmental pollution, but also enhances the competitiveness of alloy substrates in an increasingly environmentally conscious market. Through the continuous optimization of manufacturing processes, the wide application of emerging technologies, and the focus on environmental protection and sustainable development, ATCERA's alloy substrate technology shows great market potential and application value. Contact ATCERA right now.